Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Pentagon's Five Senses. I'm completely and utterly in love with this album. I thought I loved their debut album, but honestly this one is like, I can't believe they topped themselves, but somehow they did, and I'm just blown away by how much I love this album. I know that some people said that, I've heard people say that they like their debut album more, but I honestly love this album so incredibly much. Like, I've listened to it so much since its release. It's just like, yeah. I like how the design is the same, just the color is different from the first album. Keeping things consistent. I like that a lot. Anyway, here's the track listing. Sorry if it gets a bit glary. I'm trying not to. Right. So, track listing. There are 5 tracks on here. All of them are amazing. Sorry, I thought I had my phone. All of them are amazing. And they are, okay, so Kamioji, or Can You Feel Me? Can You Feel It? Sorry. That is the title track for this album. Then Engine, Yeppum, Pretty Pretty, Pura, which is Lose Yourself, and 정신 못 차려도 돼, which is Stay Crazy. Literally every single track on this is incredible, but my favorite track on this album is Stay Crazy, or 정신 못 차려도 돼. Can't say the Korean, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's just like, as soon as I heard it, like from like the very like beginning, like 3 seconds, 2 seconds even, I was completely just, this is my favorite song, hands down. I already knew it was my favorite. There was no question about it. I listened to the song so much. I also really like Yeppum, or Pretty Pretty. I don't know, I feel like this whole album has more of a like retro or throwback vibe than their previous one, which felt more, I guess, current. And it's not like a bad thing at all, because it's like, I love that they can kind of change around their music style a bit like that and still retain that kind of, I don't know, just what makes them Pentagon. But I don't, like, Yeppum sounds kind of like 70s to me. It sounds like, it gives me like Jackson 5 kind of vibes, and I love it so much. The chorus is fantastic. I'm so in love with it, and I also really like the title track. Let's actually, okay, let's just get on to this unboxing, because I will literally just keep like crying over how much I love this album, because I really do. But anyway, as usual, struggle while I open this. Okay, so pretty much the same as this is the CD, not the CD, the cover, back, and then the photo book. Go through the CD. I think the CD is also like member plates as well, like the last one had like I think 2 members on it. And for the CD I got SHINWON. Sorry, I couldn't even see. So I got SHINWON CD, who I've never pulled, so that's awesome. Just, there we go, 5 Senses. Kind of a little bit reflective. Put it back in. Right. And now the photo book. I'm going to take out the card first. Okay, hang on. Okay. You can see all the fingerprints though. Track listing. I love how thick this already feels. The Pentagon photo book for the debut one is like so incredibly beautiful. So yeah, I have a lot of expectations for this one. I'm already really happy with what I'm seeing. Look at, you know. Honestly, this is how you do a photo book. So I really love the styling on him. Even I know that some people don't really like Idon's rapping voice, but I really like it. I don't know. I've always liked that kind of high tone for rappers, so it's not a surprise to me at all that I enjoy his style of rapping. These pictures of him are incredible. Like, oh my god, look at that. SHINWON. He doesn't even need to do anything. He's just so photogenic already. I'm literally so weak for Jungkook. I'm so weak. But like he's like just stunning. His face. Also, he's so fan servicey, and it's like I can't deal with you right now. I can't deal with you ever. Yenon. Honestly. Beautiful. He's so beautiful. I say that, I'm saying this about every member I like come across, but just honestly, look at how stunning he is. Yuto. Oh my gosh, Yuto. Look how blue his hair is here. I remember when I first saw the teaser pictures, I wasn't sure about the blue hair, but honestly, it looks good here. Oh my god, Kino. He used to be my bias wrecker, but it's like everyone now. Pretty much everyone in this group is my bias wrecker, so. Except for my actual bias. Can you believe that their last photo book, they were all cute and stuff, and look at this now. Usok. Oh my gosh, look, lip ring. I'm so I'm just... no words at all. Can you believe he's the Monday? I'm sorry, I was just seeing what the hashtags, okay. I've just been so impressed with Pentagon's photo books. This is just beautiful. And I've just been really impressed with Pentagon's music in general. I really love it. And I had my reservations going into standing this group because I became a fan, look at Yon. I became a fan before they started releasing music, before Gorilla and everything. So I was worried that I wouldn't like their music when they started, when they began, but then they released the debut Pentagon and this, and yeah, just, I didn't have to worry about that at all. Isn't this a poster? Or is a poster something similar to this? This is like the cutest picture in here. Yeah, was this the teaser picture? I wasn't sure when I saw, yeah, when I saw that, but I've been impressed with the photo book. Like, the rest of the photo book. Credits. And yeah, that is it for the photo book, which is beautiful. There's so many gorgeous pictures in here, and it's so thick. It's just, like, so worth it, in my opinion. Also, the songs are so great. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, it comes with a, ad, which the debut one came with too. And for the photo card, I got this one. So, a group one. Oh my god. Yawn. Look at it. Look at how cute all of them are. Anyway, so this is, I don't know whether I should keep this because I wanted to collect the, anything on the back? Oh, yeah. I wanted to collect the individual ones, and I was planning on not collecting these ones, but I kind of want to, and I'm like really tempted to, honestly, especially because Yeon is in this. Yeon is my bias. And I haven't pulled him in any of the, like, debut albums that I got, so I'm really tempted to keep this, but I don't know, I'm just gonna think about it for a little bit. But yeah, this is the card that I got. These are pretty big. Yeah. Anyway, I can't say anything. I feel like I've said everything I have to say about this album and about Pentagon. I really, really love them. I want more people to love them, so if there's any way that I can convince you to, I don't know, just watch things that they're in, listen to their music, love them, then let me know, because I'm willing to like I don't know, help you because I really really love them. I honestly love this group so much, and I want them to do well so badly. So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.